Right now in this assignment, I'm going to still be taking you through videos. The reason why I'm taking you through videos is because videos are extremely important for your digital marketing plan. I think I already explained that to you. Let's start off. So let's start off with the most common video, that is your mobile video. So I will quickly take you through different formats. That way you get the sensibility of exactly when and how to execute and how to edit as well. Okay, let's get started. So as you saw, I selected something called the mobile video format of the video. What does it do is it gives you a vertical format which fits into your mobile. Again, you know, I always encourage you to use the templates given to you. That's the beauty about Canva. Professionals are creating these ready to use templates for you. When I come over here, this time I'm going to be taking a template on the food industry, right? And as you can see, there's a lot of templates right here, correct? Depending on which niche you're from. That means if you're from the baking niche or from the burger, the junk food niche. Right now, I'm going to pick up this chow time kind of a thing. And as you can see, there are 3 slides automatically created for me. So let me go in. I'm saying apply 3 pages. When I come here, automatically a music has been assigned to me. There are 3 slides as you can see on the timeline. So the first slide saying chow time, the second one giving me an offer, the third one telling me that I don't want to miss this offer. And as you can see in these layouts, there are these beautiful elements that have been put. Let's go and listen to this particular ad. First, let's see this video and then we'll make a few changes to it, right? Again, as I've been telling you, don't make too many changes. At the most, what you can do is you can shoot your own video, upload it and put it in the background right here, right? So besides that, I don't think you should be fooling around too much with the images. In other words, you should not be changing the placement. Very nice, very beautifully done. I think the music also kind of resonates. I'm happy with this 11-second kind of a ad. Let me go and change it a bit. When I come over here, what if I want to change this element? It's like a brush stroke, right? So let me go to elements. Let me come here and write brush stroke animated. And here you'll see a lot of brush strokes. And here you can see this similar one right here. I think this is what they have used, correct? And as you can see, when I've selected this element, there is no way I can change color because here it only gives me the option of cropping, flipping and animating. Fair enough. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to delete this brush stroke. Let me look for another color, right? When I go down, I can see this nice red color, right? And I think it looks smart. So let me put this image position should be forward, which it is. And I think if I want to move this slider up, I think I'm doing it. So here, basically what I'm teaching you is to give it your touch. Instead of calling it, it's chow time, I can call it, it is Chinese time, assuming my entire menu is a Chinese one, right? Let me just make it. So as you can see, I can make a few changes. Now I'm going ahead to the second part. And over here it says, buy one, take one rice bowl. So instead of here, I can say buy one, get one noodle bowl. Okay, now why am I doing all this? Just to show you how you can edit this entire thing. Here it says Flava hot bowls, and here I'm going to put DMTI Soft Pro Cafe. So whatever your business is, you can put in your own logos, you can put in whatever your offer is. This week, for this weekend only, I can say for April only. So depends on what your offer is, you can. I think this is looking very nice. I really don't want to change it. Then I go forward and I say you don't want to miss this. Again, I see a blue stroke over here. So if I do not want the blue stroke, I'll delete it. Let me get my red stroke over here. So I'll just take it over here. It looks nice, right? Let me take it a little bit. Very nice. And here I'll remove this blue and I'll get the same red. So with this red, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and I'm going to do the right mouse button and copy it. In other words, now I got, did it copy? Let me check. So this is, I have copied it. Yes. So now I have 2 of them. So the point being over here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this down, right? So either I can leave it this way or I can flip it vertical. So I can give it some brush strokes, or I can say it in this way. I think, yeah, this looks nice, correct? So this is a nice way of giving it my own touch. If at all you have your own videos, you can delete this video and add your own video. How do you do that? You go to uploads, click on videos and upload the video that you have created. Fair enough. Right now I'm doing undo because I want to use the same video. Again, if you don't want to use a video of your own and you want to use videos from here, you can see this videos right here. Let me look for some noodle videos if there is anything. Okay. Chinese. Yeah, so there are some nice Chinese videos over here. Chinese food videos. Okay, Chinese, let me say food. Okay, so if I like this particular one, so what I can do is I can remove the one in the background and I can come here and increase the size and make it look like this, right? And I can send this to back, right? And as you can see, this video is not big enough. So what I'll do is I'll keep stretching it, right? And this gives me the effect that was very much earlier. So now when I do play to it, yeah, it looks nice. What do you say? Right? So let's go and see. This is now a 10-second video. Let's go and see the entire thing. Here we have given it our touch, changed the text a little bit. The MTI Soft Pro Cafe, the offer has changed, and I've even changed the video. Fair enough. So this is just for you to understand how to create these different types of videos. It's not difficult. Take it easy. Keep practicing. One more video for you. Let me go back to home, right? Once I come back to home, let me pick up another video for you. Let me go to videos, and this time I want to concentrate on YouTube videos. Right? So let me click on this YouTube video ad, and here you will see a lot of ads that have been given to you, right? A lot of video ads. The templates are awesome given to you. So let's go to something called like what else should I sell? Fitness niches rocking right now. So let me say fitness, and you can see if anybody wanted to promote themselves on fitness, let me click on this particular one. Again, he has created the slides for me. My life is so much more easier. So let me do this, right? Let me be happy with this, the number of slides that they have taken care of. I'm saying apply all 4, and you can see what I could do is I could shoot a video of mine and put it right here. Mine in the sense, whoever is in the fitness niche or whatever your purpose is, you can put your video right here. Right now we have just picked her up over here, and I'm saying a play. Why am I saying play? To see what already exists. I'm reducing the volume, rather I'm muting the volume. Let me see how it goes. So all you could do is, if you're in the niche, just take up a few videos of yours in different angles. Even the ideas of angles you can get over here and simply create this ad, right? And you can even give a call to action over here saying, do you like what you see? Do you want to join my gym? Do you want to join my online classes? And give a phone number. So let's quickly go over here. Assuming this is not me, this is my own fitness regime that I want to promote. I have said apply all 4. I come back to templates, and here I'm going to videos, and I'm saying fitness instructor. Why am I changing the video? Because I'm just trying to show you how you could make it your own. Correct? Let me come over here, and you can see there is somebody doing something. Workouts. Running. Let me see. Okay, so let me pick up any of these. So let me come here, let me delete this, let me pick up yeah, again, please understand what I'm about to show you right now over here is how to cut a video. What I earlier showed you was how you can reduce the size of the video. Fair enough. Right now what I'm going to show you is how you can actually cut a video. So it's very simple. Assuming this is it, when I click on this video, I can actually crop it. Crop meaning I can actually cut it like a, right? And I can come here. Let me first pick this entire session. Yeah, let me drag this here and let me put this here, and I can say, right? You can see I'm making it my own. Now when I say, let me come over here, I'm okay with this. I'm not changing everything, right? I'm okay with this. Let me change this particular one and let me put another one. Which one should I say? Okay, right? Again, I'm cropping. I'm telling them, why don't you join? Done, blah, blah. Push your limits. Let me make it like this, editing it, right? And let me see how it works. Let me say play. I don't very much care for the song, so I'm just going to mute it. Right, as you can see, this video is very long, so let me go and reduce this video to, right? And what I can do is, I furthermore still want to crop it a bit, so I can say done. Let me just do this. All right, so this I made it 8.5 seconds. When I come back here, instead of calling it Magno Fitness, I can call it DMTI Fitness. Call 9833-900-110, right? Again, I want to give it some spacing. The spacing is not good enough. I don't really care much for the font. It's not sharp and clear. Yeah, so this, again, going back to my letter. Yeah, this is clear and nice. Everything sounds good. Everything is fine. If I want to change my logo, I could do that. So let me quickly go here and I say fitness. Basically, you're seeing what I'm doing right now, right? I don't want like this particular one. Let me ungroup it. Let me remove this. Let me bring this in. Yeah, depending on whatever I like. Make it white, make it gray, make it whatever you want. Right? Like I'm just going simply with white. Again, thoda bahut smooth karo. ठीक है? All sounds good. Let me do a play. In fact, while I'm at it, let me change the audio as well. So let me give it let me check out this sound. Not bad. So in fact, let me start it from here. Yeah, we need this pumped up kind of a music, you know, because when it's fitness, you need this pumped up music. So, you know, you should be selecting the right kind of audio, you should be selecting the right kind of video and make it your own. My point being here is you could do anything and everything. So the last video, one more for you before I sign off from here. My point being over here is I want you to practice.